Today we're going to do knocking on the door of life. This is a staple warm-up and a very energizing exercise. It energizes your central nervous system and it stimulates what's called Ming Men, which is an important energy point that's directly behind the navel on the spine and back. And this is called the door of life. And it's where a lot of that life force energy gets stored in the body. And another thing about this exercise is that we'll be stimulating the kidneys. We actually tap kidney points. And the kidneys are associated with water and flow and creativity. So perfect exercise to do before writing and welcoming that creative flow that's so important to our writing. So we'll start in natural stance. Our feet are shoulder width apart and parallel. And again, you can imagine those wonderful roots growing deep into the earth and grounding you. And you'll unlock your knees, tuck the tailbone, and let's actually tighten the shoulders and relax. Let's do it again. That feels better, doesn't it? Tuck the chin, tongue on the roof of your mouth, and smile. Beautiful. And now you'll imagine somebody pulling on a clump of your hair at the crown of your head, and that will lengthen through the back of your neck and naturally tuck your chin and really puts us in a nice position for doing any movement exercise. So let's get started. And the first thing we'll be doing is we're just going to swing the arms. I'll do this sort of slowly at first to kind of take you through it, and then we'll do the full exercise a little faster. So we're swinging the arms. Next part, we actually wrap the arms around the waist. And then we'll go from shoulder to opposite kidney. Now I should say, when you first do that wrapping, you're wrapping here, but in the back you're hitting against Ming Men, the door of life, right behind the navel. Okay, so then we do that shoulder to kidney piece, and now we're going to do a twist. So what does a twist do? It's like wringing out a towel, and you're wringing out your spine. You're getting those toxins out of the spine. So the one hand will be pointing up towards the heavens, the other point down towards the earth. It says you can imagine yourself as a channel for the life force or universal energy, and you're bringing in the inspiration of the heavenly realms, and you are releasing the manifestation, the earthly way when you write. So we'll turn and we stretch on the inhale and twist on the exhale. Now in Qigong, we're always doing about 80%. We're never pushing ourselves hard because that's hard on the body. We want to be easy and gentle and loving towards the body. So inhale and exhale, twist. And you can do it twice. Inhale and exhale, twist. And that's it. So let's do it all together as a nice flow. We'll start with that swinging. Remember doing this as a kid, swinging your arms, and it feels so good. It makes you smile. And now we'll bring the hands around and wrap them. Now you can hit against Ming Men. You could go to the kidney too. Either way works. And now we'll go shoulder to opposite kidney. And you can hear it's kind of a loud slap, and it should be energetic because you want to energize the body. So when you do it yourself, feel free to hit yourself hard as long as it doesn't hurt. You don't want to hurt yourself, but it actually feels kind of good to give it a nice charged slap. And now we'll do that wringing out. So one hand facing heaven, one palm facing the earth, and stretch as the inhale, exhale and twist. Inhale, exhale with a little more twist. Release on the exhale, and then we're going to inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. and release on the exhale. And again, inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. And one more time. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me in that. And now it's time to write. Go enjoy the prompts in Breathe, Write, Breathe, and have fun in your writing practice and see what's knocking on your creative door today.